Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through an uncompromising operational teardown of Jasper AI, analyzing whether this enterprise-grade asset factory remains the ultimate command cockpit for rapid multi-channel marketing campaigns or an overly restrictive, budget-draining sandbox that penalizes independent creators. Far exceeding basic conversational text generators, Jasper has overhauled its modern web workspace into a highly specialized, multi-agent pipeline ecosystem driven by its core Jasper IQ Knowledge Hub and over 100 distinct autonomous marketing sub-agents. The absolute mechanical triumph of this corporate infrastructure is its specialized brand voice matrix, which reads your uploaded style guides, core product data, and audience personas to seamlessly generate consistent marketing campaigns, product descriptions, and multi-touch email sequences that perfectly mirror your corporate identity without relying on tedious manual prompting loops. This setup is paired with a collaborative digital canvas, deep native integrations with software like Surfer SEO, and the newly deployed Geo Hub agent designed to autonomously optimize your text assets for discovery across next-generation artificial intelligence search engines. However, looking past this highly polished dashboard exposes strict financial boundaries and rigid operational limits that trigger sharp criticism across freelance communities. The primary roadblock is the platform's punishing premium subscription model, which completely lacks any permanent free service tier, forcing scaling business founders into steep $49 monthly entry rates that quickly multiply as you add corporate seats. This severe financial friction is compounded by a rigid template layout that can lean toward predictable phrasing if left unguided, paired with a complete lack of native live web browsing capabilities within the long-form editor, which forces marketing teams into frustrating manual verification and fact-checking cycles to catch potential logic hallucinations on highly specialized industry topics. Ultimately, if you are an established marketing agency founder, enterprise manager, or high-volume content director who demands bulletproof compliance and instant cross-channel campaign scaling, the sheer governance and automation velocity provide an unassailable workflow edge. But if you are a solo blogger running on a tight creative budget, weigh these heavy monthly subscription premiums carefully against alternative models. Track your team's monthly content output metrics, test their no-code agent builders, and leverage this marketing operating system to scale your publishing pipeline today. Subscribe the channel for more videos.